Okay, we're back again. We're making clay slime.
So right now I've added the coconut oil, two teaspoons, and then I have added 2 cups of flour.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Now I'm just adding the water to make it thick.
Lena, can I add?
You can add it the next time, okay?
Okay.
And here we have a bottle of essential oil diluted in coconut oil. I put tea tree oil in. Tea tree oil is really therapeutic in the way that it helps with rashes and itchiness. And it just smells really, really nice.
You said I could add it the next time.
So we wanted to try it and see if it would help Leanna here feel better, because she has had a bad case of chicken pox and she's getting over them, but she still has her little sores. And I have been rubbing just the coconut oil and essential oil on, and that really did help too. Coconut oil helps with dry skin. So let's see how it's going.
Okay, so right now it's sort of coming together, and I have to add more water, so I need you to go get me some more, Mom.
And go get her some more soap?
Yeah.
Our little helper here. Leanna's just over there enjoying my coffee. Huh. You like that coffee, don't you, sweetie?
And of course, I've already had the chicken pox, so I won't get it.
Right. And I'm pregnant,